Guys, we gotta get him ourselves.
Huh?
I said we gotta get him ourselves.
Yeah, we got a snowstorm. All right, let's go take out the trash. Oh yeah, baby. Oh shit.
Shit. Sit on it.
Sit on it.
It's not working.
It's not.
My calculations are correct. I should be able to fly back to the apartment. Let's do this.
Mama.
Don't look at me. Ow, my shoulder.
You guys are basically just dragging it through the snow. Fuck you. Really?
Ethan, the board!
The board!
John! Oh, my bad. Here, I'll do it back. Ow!
Weep. No, not again. Yeah.
Okay. Mommy!
But one of them caught our eye, the one in the center. He would neither go towards the feeding grounds at the edge of the ice, nor return to the colony.
Here's my brothers. Very good. And then there's ours, yeah! This is ice. Yeah, it's fucking sketch. Shit.
Oh shit. Are we gonna go home?
Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed me eating shit. Yeah.
It's a real nigga holiday. I gotta live it up cause I can die today.